everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to revamp my old storage plastic, not so good looking, I guess drawer, file, cabinet, whatever. It's really my junk drawer, but it's such an eyesore. I might as well fix it up, beautify it a little here, a little there. And it's going to be a very cool, fun, interesting DIY, so stay tuned to see how everything turned out. Plus, if you like what you see, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel for more fun revamps, DIY projects, any other crazy shenanigans I might come up and think of to entertain you guys. And without further ado, let's get started.
We hurting our sisters, the babies is real. We killing our brothers, they poison the well. Distorted self-image, we set up to fail. I'ma make sure that the real gon' prevail. I just poured something.
This is what is going to get a fantastic makeover. It's so plain Jane. And I love, but I cannot wait to see how it turns out afterwards. I'm so happy the weather is fantastic today for this, because lately it's been raining and cannot spray paint this bad boy inside my apartment. That's a big no-no. Spray paint outside, and it's nice and warm, so it's not too hot. Definitely wear some clothes that you don't mind getting a little messy. Okay, so side note here, so you see how the top lid is warped. Luckily, I found a YouTube video of a gentleman who figured out how to fix it, and it was super easy to do, and I just followed his instructions. It involves you using the oven. I preheated it to 300 degrees, and then I just let it sit in there for 7 minutes, and then I used like a water jug to reshape it back while it was cooling. But I will include the link below so that you can see the instructions for yourself, and just letting you know, like, it worked for me, so hopefully it's useful to you too. So you're gonna need Krylon looking glass in silver for this DIY project. Hopefully I have enough. Pause. This is not what you want. Oh my gosh. I think I used like 5 cans of this when I could have used a different product. This is not supposed to be used on plastic. I had a misconception of the looking glass. They shouldn't call it that. That's a horrible name, because I thought that if I spray painted the plastic, it would give off the look of, like, I don't know, like a mirror finish. This is the spray paint that you want. It's a bigger can, and I think you only need 2, maybe 3 cans at most to finish, a 3-drawer storage container to spray paint. So this is the better option. And then you're gonna need a Rust-Oleum metallic. I got the bronze or brass. Hopefully it fits, or hopefully it matches what my decorum in my place. Then you're gonna need some goggles, just in case the wind blows the paint in your way. Keep it protected. And then also, I have really nice gym shoes and I don't want to get them ruined, so I just tied some grocery bags to it, ready to get hazardous. These are so cute. One giant step for DIYers. You see this sticker right here? You're probably going to want to remove that, because you probably don't want a sticker outline showing through your paint job when it's all said and done. So we're gonna see if we can get that sticker off very nice and easy.
Nice and easy.
Eureka! It came off nice and easy. Thank God. Thank goodness, because I do not have any Goo Gone or Goo Off. You know the product I'm talking about, and if not, I will include it in the description below if you have problems moving any sticky things, stickers from surfaces and whatnot. That product is really, really helpful. But on with the show. Okay, so here you're going to want to clean the surfaces before you start painting so you don't have any, like, I don't know, lint debris, or since I'm working outside, I don't want any grass or leaf debris stuck inside the paint. It's not going to look cute. It's not going to look pretty. It's a no-no. Also, I am just deassembling everything, and I will spray paint them piece by piece. The drawers will be like that silver chrome look, and then the outline will be that gold bronze finish. So I forgot to mention that you will need a face mask to protect your nose and your mouth from possibly inhaling any fumes from the spray paint while you're painting. That's my bad. And luckily that day it was windy and I'm not poisoned or anything, so all good there. And just want to make sure that you guys are safe. Here is the final outcome. Everything came together. Through all the trials and tribulations that I experienced with this. Boy, that was my fault. When you don't plan good enough, you come across a few hiccups. But when you push through and won't settle no for an answer, it will turn out just fine. So I'm glad that everything came together. Comment below your thoughts, and if you attempted this DIY, I definitely want to see how your project turned out. And until the next time.